Holy crap. Holy shit. Woo! Oh my god. Holy shit. That wind about killed me, dude. Ow. Sorry. Whoa, 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 whoa. Woo! That was a close call. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh! Hell yeah! Nice. What is up, everyone? We are at NCMP yet again. It's a pretty busy day again. Not as busy as it was last week, though. So let's see what goes on today. Oh my god! Holy shit, that was scary. That was like the most goon shit I've done all day. Woo! Holy shit! Oh my god! Let's follow this guy. Straight ripping, dude. No chance. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, I keep overshooting that. Oh my god! I'm about to give myself a fucking heart attack. That's how I'll die. Ah! And being roosted to death too. Oh my god! Oh, that was good. That was a clean brake tap. I didn't even have to think about it. I just did it, which is the point where I was really trying to be at. And not so much because I'm trying to get faster, but just so much for safety. There we go. That was a perfect landing for like once. Dude, why am I getting so much head shake? Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Is it just the way I ride? Or I do not take riding or mechanical advice personal, so don't worry. I'm still a beginner, so none taken. Feel free to say what you want, voice your opinions in the comments. Woo! And let me know what you guys think. To all like my 10 subscribers. Oh hell yeah! Ow! Woo! That dude is fast as shit. I've seen you on YouTube, man. You're crazy. Alright, I need a break. Arms are tired and I'm not trying to crash again. Fucking tired now. Easy with that death grip. Oh, whoa! Dab my foot. dabbed my foot, and it hurt. Nice. Hell yeah. Oh, I got a little sideways there. Oh my god, that was awkward. That was so awkward. Dude, why am I getting launched to the left? Oh, that's like the second time in a row that's happened. Is the wind really this strong? Where am I? Okay, yeah, now I'm getting launched to the right. It's definitely the wind. I hit this corner. Hell yeah. Brake tap. Oh my god. Didn't work. Did not work. Did it too late, I think. Damn. Oh my god, the fucking wind. One thing that really helps me, that I didn't really do a good job of back there, is if you ever like feel like you're starting to go sideways or veer off, just loosen your body up. Don't tense so hard. Just keep calm. Keep calm. Don't think about it. Don't look at it. Whew. You know, my legs are hurting a lot more than my arms, which is a good sign. That means I'm getting in the habit of actually squeezing and not death gripping the bike with my arms. I'm just constantly reminding myself to stay loose. It's so hard. But you can do it. Just actively think about it. Come on. I always fill way too much gas and then I end up spilling everywhere. So I'm trying not to do that today. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Man, this thing fucking eats so much gas. Come on. I'm getting tired of holding this thing. Dude, how much gas does this thing eat? Oh my god. Oh, okay, let's see how much I filled. It's pretty much topped off. I could use a little more. I can never fill these things all the way up, because if I do, it's just way too heavy. I literally just fill it like 3 gallons at most. That's enough. Boom. I'm glad I remembered, because my dumbass definitely would have forgot. I've ran out of gas before. Alright, it is our turn. Kids are off. Dude, like I'm so close to clearing that thing. Oh my god, holy shit! Overshot the fuck out of that. Yeah, the wind is really gnarly today, so probably not the greatest idea to triple. God, it's so aggressive. Ow. sorry. Woo! And my bars are twisted. Are they twisted? Huh? I don't know. I just gotta crash in the opposite direction and then it'll bring it back. God! Holy shit! That wind about killed me, dude! Woo! I've got to be a little more cautious. Can't send it too hard. Dude, this wind is insane. It's like 30 miles an hour. Oh, yeah, dude, I literally can't get any air without being blown off to the side. I need to stay on the gas at the end. Hell yeah. Nice whip, dude. Hell yeah. Nice scrub, bro. Holy shit. Woo. That did not feel good, but dude, that was sick. My chest is burning. I'm not wearing a chest protector, so this roost hurts so fucking bad. I feel like I just got blasted by a paintball gun. Oh God, arms real tired. Don't realize how tired they are. Okay, last lap and I'm off. Whoa, 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 whoa! Woo! That was a close call. Fucking sun is in my eyes. Woo! I just got hit by a rock in the chest. Like, I can't even, like, get upset over it, because I'm the dumbass not wearing a chest protector. Woo! Oh my God! Oh no! Oh! Oh! Woo! I was in the air for like what felt like 8 seconds. That is wicked. Woo! Hell yeah, dude! Oh my God! Next level!